Hey there, viewers! The 100 push-up workout for beginner gains. Push-ups are a simple and effective bodyweight movement that can help increase strength in your upper body and core. This exercise works the pectoral muscles in your chest and the triceps. These are the muscles in the back of your upper arms. The 100 push-up workout builds your strength and stamina. Push-ups are more than a chest exercise. They are the gold standard of kinetic awareness, muscular control, core stability, endurance, and strength. Want to learn more? Stay tuned and continue watching this video. What are the benefits of doing 100 push-ups workout as a beginner? Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging or pulling in the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They can be done from virtually anywhere and don't require any equipment. Doing the 100 push-ups workout can be effective if you're looking for a consistent exercise routine to follow. You will likely notice gains in your upper body strength if you do push-ups regularly. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. Do your first push-up, then 100 more. The push-up is one of the most important exercises that a newcomer to fitness can do, but it can be difficult for many people. We know some of you can't do a single push-up, and the idea of being able to do 100 seems as remote as being able to fly to Mars. But we will give you a 5-phase program to build up your strength. Man or woman, 13 or 60, you can build up your strength and stamina so that you can do 100 push-ups. If you can already do 10 push-ups and want to do 100, skip to phase 3. How long will it take for you to be able to do 100 push-ups? It depends on many factors, including your age, weight, nutrition, sleep, and genetics. Count on 3 to 12 months to get to the point where you can do 100 push-ups. First, a quick word about weight. There are lots of reasons to get leaner and lose fat, and we are about to give you another one. The number one way to make push-ups easier is to weigh less. Every pound of fat is a boat anchor holding you tightly to the earth. Losing fat is 90% nutrition and 10% cardio. How to start doing the 100 push-up workout. Start performing push-ups every day by testing how many you can do at one time or within 1 minute with proper form. Slowly increase the number you perform each day or every other day to build up strength. If push-ups are too difficult at first or you're a beginner, start with modified push-ups on your knees or against the wall. Number 1. Phase 1 Counter Push-ups. The edge of a kitchen counter is a perfect place to do counter push-ups. Make sure you are wearing footwear that will not slip on the kitchen floor. Put your hands about shoulder width apart. Put your shoulder down and back like you are trying to hold a tennis ball between your shoulder blades. Do as many counter push-ups as you can, in other words, do a set. Then rest 2 minutes and do another set of as many as you can do. Repeat this until you have done 5 sets. Do this workout 3 times a week until you can do 20 push-ups in each of the 5 sets. Then advance to phase 2. Number 2. Phase 2 Knee Push-ups. Do as many knee push-ups as you can. Then rest 2 minutes and do another set. Repeat this until you have done 5 sets. Do this workout 3 times a week until you can do 20 push-ups in each of the 5 sets. Then advance to phase 3. If you are not sure how to do knee push-ups. Number 3. Phase 3 Drop Push-ups. In this phase, you are going to do 5 sets of 20 push-ups. You will do as many real push-ups as you can. Then drop to your knees to finish the rest of the 20 reps with knee push-ups. Rest 2 minutes and do another set. You will do this workout just 2 times a week. Repeat till you have done all 5 sets. When you can do all 5 sets of 20 real push-ups without having to resort to the knee push-ups, then advance to phase 4. Number 4. Phase 4 High Weight and High Rep. In phase 4, you will be doing 2 push-up workouts a week, a Monday workout and a Thursday workout. Number 1. Monday workout High Weight. Fill a backpack with equal to about 20% of your body weight. Do as many push-ups as you can without any rest. Take off the backpack and do as many push-ups as you can without the backpack. Rest 3 minutes and repeat for a total of 5 sets. Number 2, Thursday workout high rep. You will do 4 sets of 100 reps with 5 minutes rest between sets. Do as many push-ups as you can then without any rest. Do as many knee push-ups as you can, then without rest do as many counter push-ups as you can for a total of 100 reps. This is killer. That's right, on Thursdays you are going to do 400 push-ups or die trying. Number 5, Phase 5. Your first attempt at 100 push-ups. You will know when you are ready for your first attempt at 100 push-ups. When you think you are there, we suggest you rest a complete week before attempting it. It's also a good idea to have a strong cup of coffee about 15 minutes before your attempt. Although during the push-up workouts in Phase 1 through 4 above you used flawless, slow, deliberate form, you can throw that out the window now. It's all about speed. The faster you can do the push-ups, the more you will be able to do. You can fudge a little too. Don't go quite as far down as you normally would. Go for it. Join the 100 Club. If you don't succeed on your first attempt, no biggie. The week's rest did you good. Go back to Phase 4 for a month, then try again. How to do a push-up. To perform a traditional push-up, number 1, start kneeling on an exercise mat on the floor and bring your feet together behind you. Number 2, bend forward to position yourself in a high plank. The top of a push-up position with your palms flat on the mat, hands shoulder-width apart, and with your fingers facing forward or hands turned slightly in. Your shoulders should be positioned over your hands. Your feet should be together behind you and your back should be flat. Keep your abs pulled in. Number 3, slowly lower your body toward the floor. Maintain a rigid torso and keep your head aligned with your spine. Don't let your low back sag or your hips hike upward. Number 4, continue to lower yourself until your chest or chin touch the ground. Your elbows may flare out during the downward movement. Number 5, press upward with your arms. Continue pressing until your arms are fully extended at your elbows and you're back in the plank, at the top of the push-up position. Number 6, repeat the downward movement. Start with 10 push-ups or however many you can do with proper form, and work your way up as you build strength. Tips for proper form. When performing a push-up, number 1, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Number 2, your butt should be down, not lifted. Number 3, your body should form a straight line. Don't arch your back or let your body sag down. Ask a friend to make sure your form is correct. Also, keep your hands firmly rooted on the ground or on a mat so that your wrists are protected. If this is too difficult, start on your knees. Make it more challenging. Make push-ups more challenging by doing the following variations. For an additional challenge, you can also practice push-ups with your feet or hands on a medicine ball. Consistency is important to building strength. Even if you're not looking to go so extreme, incorporating this efficient bodyweight workout into your routine is sure to strengthen your upper body, back, and core to help with everyday movement. Are you ready to start the 100 push-up workout? Comment down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.